Enhances gaming performance, ensures faster data processing, improves multitasking, and adds customizable RGB aesthetics for a visually stunning setup. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB Gaming RAM Sticks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigastone 32GB kit. The 32GB kit, 2x16GB, DDR4 3200 MHz SODIMM RAM delivers a remarkable upgrade for laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one AIO computers. With high-speed PC4-25600 performance, it ensures smooth multitasking, faster application loading, and seamless data handling, making it ideal for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. Its non-ECC, unbuffered design with CL22 latency and 1.2V voltage provides reliable stability while remaining energy efficient. Featuring 260 pins and the standard SODIMM form factor, installation is straightforward and compatible with a wide range of modern systems. Whether upgrading an older laptop or boosting a current AIO, this RAM kit enhances overall system responsiveness and efficiency. Users will notice reduced lag, faster program execution, and the ability to handle memory-intensive tasks with ease. Its broad device compatibility ensures that this RAM kit is a versatile solution for anyone looking to elevate their computing performance without compromising stability or reliability. Now our second product is ATEC ECC Desktop RAM Memory Module. The ATEC 16GB DDR4 RAM module is a powerful upgrade for compatible desktop computers, designed to maximize system performance effortlessly. With speeds up to 2666 MHz, PC4-21300/PC4-2666V, it ensures faster boot times, improved application loading, and smooth multitasking, allowing users to handle demanding tasks with ease. Its 288-pin DDR4 DIMM format, NONECC unbuffered design, and single or dual rank options, 1R×8 divided by 2R×8, adhere to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, ensuring reliable stability and energy-efficient operation at 1.2V. Installation is straightforward, requiring no technical expertise, making it perfect for at-home upgrades. Backed by ATEC's lifetime warranty and a friendly tech support team, users gain both performance and peace of mind. Whether enhancing gaming rigs, productivity setups, or general-purpose desktops, this RAM module delivers consistent speed, responsiveness, and reliability. It's a practical, high-quality solution for anyone looking to elevate their desktop computing experience. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5RA. The Corsair DDR5 RAM represents the pinnacle of modern memory performance, designed to push your system beyond traditional limits. With lightning-fast frequencies and higher capacities, it delivers unmatched CPU responsiveness, ensuring smooth multitasking, rapid application loading, and superior gaming performance. Each module features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs encased in a panoramic light bar, producing dynamic, ultra-bright illumination visible from any angle, perfect for a visually striking build. Onboard voltage regulation enhances stability and precision, allowing effortless and finely tuned overclocking through Corsair ICUE software, surpassing previous motherboard controls. Custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles give you the freedom to optimize memory performance for specific applications or workloads, maximizing efficiency and responsiveness. The Corsair ICUE software also offers extensive RGB customization, letting you select from dozens of preset lighting effects or design your own, creating a fully personalized system. Combining extreme performance, aesthetic appeal, and intelligent control, this DDR5 RAM is ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts seeking the ultimate upgrade. Now number 4, Timetech Pinnacle Premium DDR4 32GB KIT. The 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM kit, 2x16GB, is a high-performance memory solution designed specifically for laptops, notebooks, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices. With PC4-25600 specifications, 260-pin unbuffered non-ECC design, and 1.2V operation, it ensures stable and energy-efficient performance. The CL22 timing, 22-22-22-52, and dual rank 2RX8 configuration provide reliable speed and responsiveness, making it ideal for gaming, content creation, and other memory-intensive tasks. Its 3200 MHz frequency can intelligently downclock to 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz for systems with lower supported speeds, ensuring broad compatibility without compromising stability. Installation is straightforward, allowing users to upgrade their system without professional assistance. Each module is engineered for durability and long-term performance, backed by a guaranteed lifetime warranty and free US-based technical support. Whether enhancing multitasking capabilities, speeding up application loading, or optimizing high-performance computing, this RAM kit delivers a dependable and versatile upgrade for selected DDR4 laptop and all-in-one systems. And our last choice is G.Skill Trident Z RGB Series DDR4 RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 UDIMM 32GB memory kit, 2x16GB, model F43600C18D32GTZR, is engineered for desktop PCs and high-performance gaming rigs, offering an exceptional combination of speed, reliability, and aesthetics. Rated for DDR4-3600 with CL18-22-22-42 timing at 1.35V, it ensures blazing fast data transfer, smooth multitasking, and optimized gaming performance. The kit features non-ECC, 288-pin UDIMM modules and includes both JEDEC standard profiles and Intel XMP overclocking profiles, allowing users to achieve peak performance safely and easily. Designed as matched kits, the memory modules must be installed together. Mixing with other kits can cause system instability or failure. G.Skill provides tools like the QVL and RAM configurator to verify motherboard compatibility, ensuring a smooth upgrade experience. Beyond raw performance, the Trident Z RGB series delivers customizable, vibrant lighting that enhances any PC build visually. Adhering strictly to manufacturer guidelines guarantees stability, maximum speed, and long-term reliability for gamers and power users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.